US President has said that his government will impose 25% tariff on goods imported from India. Not only this, he has also directed giant IT companies to not hire Indian experts. He said that employing Indian experts deprives US skilled individuals. 25% tariff imposition has jolted India. It shaked the gesture of Indian PM Nerandera Modi bent, which used to be very proudly upward while meeting foreign counterparts in international meetings. Question arises: what is main cause root behind all this? The big reason got evident when President Trump on his Truth Social platform said that when everyone wants Russia to stop the killing of Ukraine, India is buying Russian oil. So he said starting from the 1st of August prnalty would be imposed on India. India has established oil refinery, which is meant only for Russian oil. This refined oil is being exported to some parts of Europe at enhanced price. Now, this penalty and tariff will injure India's GDP. The Indian corporate side seems to take back its threads from the Modi, leaving him alone, and will pressurize him to negotiate with the US. Since the recent 4 days of limited war in between India and Pakistan, US President Donald Trump is praising Pakistan in different spheres, including the proven war ability of Pakistan. This is not actually praising Pakistan, but it is to make India jealous of Pakistan, which actually means to bring India under pressure and blackmail. Basically, India has a policy to play on both sides, with the US on one side and with Russia and China on the other side. After China, India is the second bigger importer of Iranian oil. It is not liked by the US. Therefore, water was boiling since a time in the brain of Trump, and he has said what he thinks better for the US. Now, what are the options for India? 1. To keep itself aside a bit away from the US and sit closer with Russia and China means being a real founder member of BRICS. 2. To sit with the US like a good chap and negotiate. The second option will be better for corporate India. It means the emerging national capital and corporate sector will get benefits. However, it will block the way of India to play a double game. The recent statement of Trump is to explore oil in Pakistan and hypothetical presumption that the exploration may make Pakistan able to export oil to India, which is like a sweet game of pressurizing India. US had no policy to make Pakistan stronger economically and politically to nuclear Pakistan. All honey promises with Pakistan are temporary and only to pressurize India. The ultimate end will be the renegotiation of prices of goods in the context of 25% tariff on India. The main reason is that the US is the biggest export market for India. Therefore, India will never like to lose the market. Secondly, it will never let Pakistan and China fill gaps if it goes out of the playground. However, it is a hard time for India. It is also a hard time for the US, not due to India but for Chin's giant economic growth and Russian success in the Ukraine war. Besides it, China has the strongest roots in Pakistan. Now, its military aid has been proven by the recent Pakistan-Indian war. China and Russia are supporting Iran in the way to Israel's aggression. The result is that India can't beat China in the corporate and science sectors. India is not able to fight Chinese muscle upon US instigation. Now India also fears Pakistan. Secondly, Pakistan is moving like creeping speed alongside Russia. So, the US may keep India sitting at its knees, but ultimately, this world is adhering to China and Russia. A proposed BRICS currency may damage the worth of dollar. The world is reshaping itself speedily.